Myself DEEKSHA N. I have completed my graduation in the year 21 as a computer science engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and I have joined the Qspiders in the month of April 6th, 2023, where I have learned everything about the software testing course. Manual testing was taught by Umasham sir, SQL was taught by Ramakrishna sir, and Core Java was taught by Manjunath sir and Chidambaram sir, and also the Selenium was taught by Mustaqim sir. So I have in the Qspiders, after joining Qspiders, I have learned everything which helped me to get place in the company, and I have improved my communication skills by attending the presentation classes, and I have also attended the grooming classes, which helped me a lot to attend the interviews. Here I have handled for more than 10 plus requirements from the Qspiders, and I have attended more than 7 plus interviews, and finally now I have got placed in a company called AVAAMO Technologies Private Limited as a manual test engineer with a 5 lakhs package, and my joining is on 9th October. So I'd like to thank all the HRs of Qspiders and all the faculties who have given me this knowledge to help me to get placed in a company. So I suggest you people to join the Qspiders and get placed as soon as possible and get your dream job as soon as possible. So thank you, Qspiders.